Hi everyone, here is BIM 18. Today I would like to share you how to create custom share parameter and how can we arrange the view and the sheet by using the browser organization. So first of all, I want to open my project. So I want to go to the floor plan level 1. So first of all, we have to create the share parameter. How can we create the share parameter? We have to go to the Manage tab. Then you can see the Setting panel, and here is a share parameter tool. Just click the share parameter. Now I already created share parameter, but I want to create new one. So just click create. Then I have to set the share parameter name. I just dash. So before I create the new parameter in the share parameter, I have to create the group because share parameter have two parts. Here is for the group, here is for the parameter. If you want to create new parameter, you must have create group. So I will click new, then I will give the name to the project information. Then I will click new. So the first parameter is purpose. So this one must be the test because I want to manually key in. And then here is a edit tulip. Edit tulip is like a note. So I will write down. I want to write down here is for view and sheet. Okay. I just click OK. But we don't need to write. We don't need to write for every. We don't need to write the note for every parameter. If you don't want to write, you can leave it. It is okay. So I want to create new parameter. Here is again is the main folder. Then type of parameter might be the test. That one is for the tree subfolder. I will click to the test. Okay. Here is the fourth one. So I will straight away enter. But I want to edit this parameter categories or something. I cannot create it. But if you want to check, you can check by click properties. You can see the name and then discipline and the type of parameter. If I want to change back to the test, here cannot. So you have to delete this parameter. Then if you want to create the custom parameter, you can click new and you can create it. So here is okay. So I will click OK. So now I can start use this parameter. I will go to the project parameter. Let me delete previous parameter. Right now I have to create new. So I will click OK. So I will go to the Manage tab. After I create share parameter, I need to assign this parameter in my project. So I have to set project parameter. Project parameter is here. So click Add, and then I want to use the parameter from the share parameter. So I will check share parameter option. Then I will click Select. The first one is a purpose. Okay, I want to show this new parameter enter the graphic group. So I have to change the group. It's graphic. Then I want to use which category? I want to enter the view and the sheet category. So I will assign to view and the sheet category. So I will click here. This will hide and check category. So I assign the purpose parameter into the sheet and view. So just click OK. Then add another one. The second one is a main folder. Just click OK. I will change the group. Here is I will change to enter the graphic group. Then I will assign to sheet. Another one is for view. Okay. Add some more. Yeah, it's for the third one. Graphic. Then sheet. Another one is for view. Okay, I'm done. So now right now we can see purpose, main folder, search folder, enter the graphic group. So I want to assign of my floor plan, enter the floor plan group. So I will click off my floor plan. Then I will go to the purpose is for the do manual key. Purpose is for the submission. Oh, let me try the documentation. Documentation, the main folder will be the architecture. Then the subfolder will be 100. Okay. So I will click off the reflected ceiling plan. Then I go the documentation, architecture. Then I will click ceiling plan. Okay, these are the structure floor plan. Floor plan. Then here I will click all of the elevation. Elevation. Okay. So now I would like to customize the view. So just click the view and then just click browser organization. Let me delete this one first. This one. Oh, now okay. So I would like to create new. This will be the beam. BIM. Then let me view. So this this window will appear. So I will arrange all of my floor plan and then all of my view by like that. Compose and then main folder, after that subfolder. So just click and then apply. Okay. Let me check. Oh, I just click this setting and then I will click OK. So now we can see architecture have three parts: floor plan, reflected ceiling plane, and the 400 elevation. Another one is a structure plan have 300 structure floor plan. 100, 200, 300, and 400 are the code. So you can type as you like. These are the for reference. Okay, now I want to create some new sheet. Let me go to the view tab, So here is a sheet composition tab panel. Then I will click sheet. So I will like to create 10 more sheet. So just click OK. After that, I will press the enter key. Then automatically. Now I just created a lot of sheet. From A101 to A105, I would like to use for the architectural. So here I will click for the summation. Then the main folder will be architectural and the subfolder 100. Okay, then so now on from 106 to 107, I would like to use for the reflected ceiling plane. Ceiling plane from 108 to 110, I would like to use for the structure. Okay, so I will go to the and right click, then I will click browser organization. That this time I will choose to the sheet and then I will click edit. So I would like to arrange by that purpose, then main folder, then subfolder. Okay, then okay. So right now we can see the sheet were arranged as like the view. Architectural, yeah, is for the this 100 floor plan sheet are for the floor plan. 200 reflected ceiling plan are for the reflected ceiling plan. So here's other how can we arrange customize by using the shape parameter for view and the sheet. Okay, I hope this video can help for your learning and then for your work. So thank you. Bye bye. Bye for now.